As of now, ma'am, wala pa po tayong verifiable information as to the reported na warrant of arrest issued by the ICC.
Ma'am, may paggalaw dun sa mga tauhan po sa Davao. Tumambak yung mga pulis daw po doon sa Davao Airport noong Friday, Saturday. May kinalaman po ba ito? Possible na paggalaw?
Linawin lang po natin ito, ma'am. Nakausap po natin yung mga taga Davao po, and according to them, yung mga movement po ng ating mga kapulisan doon is just part of the simulation exercise relating po sa kanilang security preparation for Davao. And we have to stress the point po na this is not only limited po sa Davao, even yung other regions po ay nagkakonduct po ng simulation exercise, communication exercise, and other tabletop exercise, again, as part of our security preparation for election po. This has nothing to do doon sa mga issues relating doon sa alleged issuance po ng warrant of arrest ng ICC.